Hello friends, you want to sell your Mac and want to reset your Mac to the factory setting? Then this video is for you. So before doing that, make sure you back up your important files because resetting will erase all of your data from the Mac. And also you can log out from the Apple ID. So for that, you can go to the setting, then go to the Apple ID, then go on sign out. So it's saying, do you want to keep a copy of the iCloud data on this Mac before signing out? I'll just unselect it because I don't want to keep anything on this laptop since I'm selling it. So click on continue. So I'll click delete from Mac on this option, but make sure you choose the right option depending upon your circumstances. Since I'm selling this laptop and I have already taken the backup of this laptop in the pen drive, so I'll just delete from the Mac. So here put your Apple ID password. So it's sign out. Now it's time to reset the MacBook. Go to the setting and go to the general. Here transfer reset. Then click on erase all contents and setting. Put your password. Continue. You put the password. Click on continue. It will send you the verification code on your device. Then this page will come where you can choose erase all content and setting. But for some reason, if your laptop got stuck on the Apple ID password area, then you have to restart your laptop and follow the same process. So here we'll click on erase all content and settings. So this will restart the MacBook automatically and also kick out from the activation lock. So finally I came to the home screen where I can select the language. Your MacBook will restart several times. So make sure you have time and keep your MacBook plugged in on the charger. Continue. Connect the Wi-Fi on the top sign. So my Mac is activated, so it will restart now. So here the Mac OS has reinstalled automatically on my laptop. So you can continue and do next and next and set up the Mac laptop. So once completed, your Mac will start like a brand new device. So I hope you like the video and learn something from this one. If you think this video is useful, then please like, subscribe and comment if possible. I will see you in another video. If you have any question on this video, then please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.